Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable device protection on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 series, and now you want to turn on or enable device protection on your device, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to enable device protection on your Samsung Galaxy A54, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung phone settings. Scroll down the settings page and then click on security and privacy. Once you selected security and privacy, scroll down the page, locate and click on more security settings. Now under more security settings, scroll down and locate theft protection and click on that. Then here under theft protection, you want to go ahead, turn on theft protection if this is disabled. Turn on device lock if this is disabled as well. So if they're both disabled, go ahead and turn it on. Just tap turn on. So if this is disabled, the same thing, turn it on, then tap turn on from the pop, and then you're good. So that is exactly how you can easily enable device protection on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.